What's up, guys? No mod, no life. Let's go, day 2 of Formula Drift. Send it!
Let's send it!
There we go. Saturday, 1 p.m.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Hey, look at them boys out there already. Hey ho. We are at the Formula Drift experience for you guys. So this is how it looks like. Bam! This is the line. This is the line to get into right there. So we made it. So we came out of here from there. This is the entrance. This is an old school umbrella, guys. Oh. There are some seats there. There's the main seats here. And this is part of the track. There are no cars now because I decided to make this video when we're on a small break, because it's easier to walk around here, you know, because otherwise it's full of people. There's still some people around here, but imagine when this is running, you know. They are just on the warm-up now. There is where you heat up your tires, and then you do the layup. I mean, this might sound obvious for some, but I just want to share a little bit, okay? With you guys. Please do not judge if you already know that. You know what I mean? People here chilling, eating some good stuff. Hot, guys. It is really hot. I think it's on the 90s today, 90 something. I'm not sure. Let me just record this back for you guys. And I am with my hands busy now, but they go all the way to the outside zone over there, close to the wall, then come here in the middle to the transition, and this outside zone right here. Only thing is that this time it's not close to the wall, see, it's where the black marks are. Again, a little bit too obvious, but let's go, just for the fun of it. Send it! Let's go! So it's the tents out here. There's some teams, some groups, some brands, all sort of different stuff. We're on the other side now, where they heat up their tires. Look. Here's the screen. You can watch replays here and live streams and all that stuff. So guys, this is where the drone guy is. Those CCAS footage that you guys see. Dudes here just chilling. There is another dude over there. Maybe, probably not chilling that much, but still. Sup, a little food for thought, but this right here is where the drag race happens. If you guys don't know, we are on the Orlando Speed World, so this is the drift part and this right here is the drag part, okay? So quarter mile, you already know how it goes, right? So it's right here, okay? So this is the bank where the cars come really close to it. That's why there's this map right here. Look at that. Damn. So, and then there's specific spots for the media guys here to take those nice ass pictures that you see all around. But man, really, they just slap this wall here, left and right. They kiss it and say, I love you, baby. Call me, be right back. And we do this curve here all over there. It's nice to watch from that place because you see the flick up front. We're gonna go there just for you guys to see. Hold up, stay tuned, be right back. Hey.
The Norwegian in
Here we
second,
are
the Norwegian
again.
in third, with a Lithuanian in fourth. A truly international affair, but we are on
came to the
American
States
soil,
this time.
and this is truly an international
This
affair.
is a cool place
Jacob,
because this
what
is
a
a very high
great
place.
round of 32.
You
We
can
saw
see the
some
whole
amazing
bank,
battles
and the
yesterday
transition is right
in
here.
Our seating brackets,
So you can
but
have a
coming
good look
into
of
today,
both of the
just
side clips 1 and 2.
the line was
And also
out
the
the door,
smoke
out to
doesn't
the
get
road,
too in the way.
but what a great way to
Because it
kick off
dissipates
our
faster.
top 32.
It doesn't get here as
absolutely
fast
nuts.
as the
I
cars
mean,
pass
the best part
by.
about drifting is how unpredictable it is. Yeah, Liberal's going to need a very smooth run to win this.
Here we go, Literal out front. Maybe he's got that clean air, throws it high inside the fastball. Brandon Swanson, he's giving it back to him. Literal around the track. As these guys taking out the inside clips, Literal into the crease, Brandon Swanson. Brings it around.
That's a good one.
All right, pull it up track. Pull it up track, Ryan Literal. All right, so
That was a hot lap.
Make some noise for Ryan Literal and Brandon Sorensen. A tire fire on that back left corner.
He is pumped.
Wow.
Literal quick break there and then slingshots out. Sorensen able to answer most of the ways, but does get a bit of a gap hold on him. Right there, that tire lights up, and Sorensen just tries to put it out with contact. And then we can see.
I'm coming, and everybody was still here. Sorensen out front, Shanahan. And he's back pressure once again. Sorensen high in the fence, Shanahan. He knows it. Now transition in. Shanahan formation. Into the smoke pocket. Go Shanahan, Sorensen. Look at that minimal steering speed on the wheel, and wow. Once again, I mean, that is not a broken record. That is just absolutely back at it. He doesn't know what his track record looks like. And now here he is going best in the world. Here we go. To the power rally. You can see Sorensen looked like a left or a red right hand bashing into that last outside sweeper across the finish line. So that power rally might have played a role here. Let's take a look. Who's cheering on Manoa? Make some noise. 14 years old. James Machine D. Who's on the final fence? Shanahan. To beat him. And here's the That is a huge shot to Manoa's system. That is going to be huge, and that could have been a way worse. What went wrong for Manoa? Off the bank, shot forward. Watch this again. Or basically somebody who he absolutely admires to make a mistake. And that's a hard ass. It's a three-time champion, James Dean. Manoa high on the bank. That is running all the way down this 14-year-old. Here we go. Looks like he does. The Smoke Canyon, the Smoke Valley, the Killer Crossover, whatever you want to call it. James Dean should be huge mistake. Our Formula Drift Finals. Shanahan there in that Red Bull Garagistic BMW, piloted by RCP previously. Now, James the Machine Dean, hey, leave your lights on, let's go! Type S lights are underneath the car and on the track and now in your hand. Let's send it! James Dean, Connor Shanahan. And Shanahan on the door of James the Machine Dean, the right hand. Let's get ready to send it on three. You'll send it. 1, 2, 3. Send it! Shanahan out front. James Dean chasing him down. Who's going to answer? Who's going to hit? On the box. James Dean down into the crease goes Shanahan, but James Dean put some respect on it. 3-time champion James Dean says on 3. Let's yell send it as loud as possible. Are we gonna get a winner? 1, 2, 3. Send it. James the Machine Dean locked and loaded. Both these guys. James the Machine Dean into the crease. Shanahan coming across, and there we go. What looked like a tire, it was the clipping point base rolling. Let's send it! Shanahan and Dean through that start chicane. He'll go for hit. The time that lights are on. We got contact. Let's take a look at it again. Unofficial.